Rahim. Today I am going to tell you how to prepare the sagu. For the sagu you have to take first 2 glass of milk. 1 glass and two glass of milk. Then the sagu must be, you see, the sagu must be like that. When you put the plate like this, it has to be in the one layer like this. Then you can pour it in this. Okay, then you have to mix it. You have to put some elaichi in that. I put 4 elaichis, 4 or 5 elaichis. After elaichi, we have to continue turn it and flame. When the one boil come, then you have to slow down the flame and then wait a bit till the sagu gets cooked. You see, sagu is getting cooked in this, like this. It is half cooked now, and milk also is okay. We have to wait a bit. You see, now sagu is getting cooked like this. We have to wait more, almost half hour it will take to cook. Till the sagu gets ready, in half glass of milk, less than half, we will put 2 spoon of powder milk. This will pour it lastly. For the time being, we keep it like this till the sagu gets cooked. We'll see how it is going to cook now. You see, sagu is cooked, but we put sugar in that. 2 spoon sugar, 1 and 2. 2 spoon is sugar. We mix it. We will mix the milk also in that. The milk which we prepared, powder milk and liquid milk together, so that it is a bit liquid. Okay, now you can put some crushed coconut in that. You mix it. You will see our sagu is ready. We dish out it in the bowl. Okay, now our sagu is ready. If you like, then subscribe.